for decorating your pennant is to add some fringe, like I've done here. Let me show you how to do that. To add fringe to your pennant, you're going to need some kind of yarn or string. You're going to need a pair of scissors, and you're going to need a pencil. To make sure that they're evenly spaced, I went ahead and I marked with my pencil on my pennant where I wanted each piece of fringe to be. The next step is to take your scissors and to make a small cut where each of your dots is. Let me show you how to do that. It's an easy trick. You just fold the pennant in half. You take your scissors and then you make a small cut. Not too big, just the tiniest of cuts. Right where your dot is. And do you see how there's a small hole there? I've added these holes all along the edge of my pennant. The next step, after each of your holes is cut, is to cut your lengths of string. You'll need 3 pieces of string about 6 inches long for each of the holes. A quick way to do that is to take your string pinch it, fold it, and snip the loops. Then you have all the same length. Just like that. To attach these to your pennant, you're going to take the 3 strings in your hand and fold them exactly in half, like this. You want to pinch the edge that has the fold. From the back of your pennant, you're going to push those 3 pieces of yarn through the hole, like that. The next step is to find the loop for all 3 pieces of string. Then, take the ends and tuck them through the loop, all at the same time, just like that. Now, gently tighten it down, and there you have it. Let's do the rest on this side to see what the finished product is going to look like. So there it is, the pennant with fringe all around the outside. Looks pretty cool.